Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Fauna login issues, key and access errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Fauna, follow these troubleshooting steps. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Next, confirm that you are using the correct email and password combination. If you're unsure, try resetting your password through the Forgot Password link on the login page. After resetting your password, return to the login page and enter your credentials again. If you're still facing issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this, go to your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select the time frame to clear everything if you have ongoing issues. Once that's done, restart your browser and attempt to log in again. If the problem persists, try accessing Fauna from a different browser or device. Sometimes, browser extensions can interfere with login processes. Consider disabling any extensions that may be active, particularly those related to security or privacy. If you are part of a team, verify that your access privileges are intact. Discuss with your administrator in case there are permission issues. Should you receive a key or access error message, review your API keys in the Fauna dashboard. Ensure that you are using the correct project and that the key hasn't been expired or revoked. If necessary, create a new API key in the dashboard and update any applications using the old key. Lastly, consult Fauna's documentation or support forums for specific errors or codes you may encounter. Customer support can also assist if the issue remains unresolved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.